up, buds? I'm Mike Levitsky. Got some more drums for you. We're going to keep doing the triplet stuff. So I'm going to move on from the lesson that I did just, I don't know, a week or so ago, where we were going kick, left, right, and then a symbol of your choice. So go back and check that video out. This is going to be a continuation of that. I'm all about getting as much mileage as possible out of the stuff that you already know how to do. And so that means orchestrating it in different ways, using different stickings, adding accents in different places. These are all things that you can do to take stuff that you already know how to do and make it sound different, even though you're not doing anything different. So I'm gonna put my headphones on, protect my hearing. I suggest you do the same. You can use earplugs or whatever. I got these guys, and we'll talk about today's lesson. Before I get much further, if you would help me out, and if this helps you out at all, go ahead and click that like button down there. And if you want to see more videos like this, hit that subscribe button down there or over there. I'm not really sure where it is right now, but that would help me out greatly, and I would appreciate it. Also, leave me a comment down below. Let me know if this is helping you, and you know what else you might want to see, and we'll keep going on from there. So today, the sticking is going to be right, left, right, and then kick, left, right, and then a symbol of your choice. Now, the original sticking of this lick uses a crash symbol on the left hand, so it's a great exercise for you to work on to try to crash with the left hand. When I first started playing, I was always crashing with the right hand on everything, and then to crash with the left hand was sort of strange. So most people have a crash symbol over here on the left-hand side. I have a ride symbol, but I use it as a crash as well. And then some people like to crash on the right-hand side. So you can practice crossing over and do that. So slowly, here's what the fill sounds like. And we're counting it as 4 Anna, 4 Anna. So it's going to go at the end of a groove used, you know, just as a triplet spice kind of thing, like we've been talking about. So you'd play 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 3 and 4 and 3 and 4. All right, you can do right, kick, right, left, crash on the right hand side to get a little bit of a different sound, which would sound like this. So that's going to be 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 3 and 4. All right. With that same sticking, you can do the lick that we did last week, which was kick, crash, and just add right, left, right. So it's going to go snare, high tom, floor tom, kick, floor tom, snare, crash, and we'll get that like we did last week. So that'll sound like this. And you can do the hemiola thing and play 3 of those in a row as a 4-beat fill, which would sound like this. You can do it without the crash as well. You do it with hi-hat stops. Okay? Or do it with crashes and then a hi-hat stop. That was a little sloppy, sorry. Alright? So that's fun. You can incorporate this lick from last time and do that after you do one of these. So you're going to go. Alright? So that's snare, high tom, floor tom, kick, floor tom, snare, crash, kick, floor tom, snare, crash. Sounds like this. And that works really nice inside of a groove like this. just kind of mix those around and use them at your discretion. Changing the sticking and also the instruments that you're hitting will make it sound different. Find the ones that you like the best and add them to your groove. You can also use this as a way to get out of a fill. So say, because you're playing 4 and a 4 and a crash, if you're counting like 1, 2, 3, you're going to use that to get out, so you can count like. Hey guys, I hope you have fun with that fill and just adding it to your grooves, playing it as a fill. The best way to get the most mileage out of this is just to take that one ending and try to add it to as much stuff as you can. Play it off different stuff and just play with it for like 15, 20 minutes a day for a week or 2 weeks or 3 weeks. And before you know it, it'll just come out naturally in your playing. You won't even be thinking about it anymore. Your body will just automatically do it. So I'll play you out. Hopefully you'll get some inspiration and some ideas. And I'll see you in the next lesson. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you soon.